Peggy Bailey and Eric Blondin operate Three Forks Farms, a certified organic operation producing vegetables, poultry, and garden seeds on Manitoulin Island, Canada. In 2021, the Sustainable New Agri-Food Products and Productivity Program, SNAP, helped Eric and Peggy buy a 30-foot by 120-foot high tunnel greenhouse with the aim of boosting production of multiple crops, including tomatoes and cucumbers, for retail and wholesale customers on Manitoulin and the surrounding area.
So we have engaged in holistic management, which is a philosophy around a triple bottom line farm. So it's about balancing those things between finance, the people, and then also the environment. All of our decision making is about balancing those three things. And I think that having the greenhouse is a key part of that. So we're able to extend our season, we're able to maximize our square footage and increase our yields per square foot and produce more food than we would be able to otherwise.
This really large greenhouse that we got through the SNAP program is one of the keystone parts of being able to produce for longer in the year. That greenhouse is producing product for 10 months of the year. We start every season off with really cold hardy crops, then we harvest those and then we go into cucumbers or tomatoes, and then we move into more cold hardy crops that'll take us right into January.
This is one of the first large-scale food production greenhouses on Manitoulin, and it extends the production season to a full 10 months of each year. This has allowed Three Forks to hire workers, including seasonal employees, as the workload requires. More than anything, Peggy and Eric have a passion for producing great organic food for people who care about what they eat, and the greenhouse is a big help moving the local community closer to food self-reliance. The Three Forks greenhouse is an example of how appropriate technology can be used to effectively move Northern Ontario south many hundreds of kilometers in terms of season length and growing intensity. The greenhouse is made by Multi-Shelter Solutions and includes double wall plastic with a pressurized airspace between layers for maximum insulation and energy efficiency. This lets the greenhouse maintain warmer temperatures, extending the production season and the reliability of crops. The greenhouse is 21 feet tall, and this extra height actually helps with heating and energy efficiency. The taller the space, the more warm air can be stored from the day for nighttime. Peggy and Eric have divided the greenhouse into 8 different beds, each of which grow 3 crops each year. First up are early season cold hardy greens. In the summer, heat-loving vining fruits become the focus, including tomatoes and cucumbers. Autumn involves more cold hardy greens as temperatures and sunlight intensity declines. Peggy and Eric grow all crops right in the natural soil at the floor of the greenhouse, with drip irrigation to maximize watering efficiency and to keep foliage dry and disease-free. Agricultural success relies on innovation like never before. Innovation used by skilled food producers who understand its value and can make the most of it. Like this big, productive greenhouse feeding hundreds of people miles all around from Three Forks Farms.